What's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to look how to make this rain puddle in Blender. So I have the same topic on this channel. You can get it on the right of the screen right now on this card, or you can continue on this tutorial, and we are going to make this. So if you are new for this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to support me. You can hit that notification bell to get notified when I post such videos like this. If you finish doing that, let's get started with the new scene. Okay, let's read off all the things in the scene. Then Shift A, add a plane. Then you can scale it up, but it has no any difference. So just I will scale it by 5 times. Then go to edit mode, right click to subdivide it. If you subdivide it 50 times, perhaps no, subdivide it 100 times to get more geometry. Then go to physics tab, then click on that dynamic paint, then add canvas. What this will do is using this as a canvas. Then shift D that plane, then grab it on the Z axis up. Then go to particle system, then add a new particle system. Don't change the type of emitter or to hair. Then as you see here, we have now emitter plane. So what we're gonna do is go to dynamic paint, then change from canvas to brush. After you do that, click on add brush. Then when you play that animation, nothing will happen because we need to play around with this plane. Let me rename it like water will be good, and rain. After you rename that, select that water plane, then change the surface type from paint to waves. When you play that now, what we will see is very subtle because it's so it's not like that is not how it's going, because we need to change this dynamic paint type from source. As you see here, we have a source drop down. Then as you see here, the paint type is mesh to volume. So what we're gonna do is changing the paint from mesh volume to particle system. Then select your particle system of this plane, of the rain I mean. Then immediately you will see the magic going. Like it's very rainy as you see here, because like we have so much of these puddles. So to decrease it, select the upper plane, then under the particle system tab, change the number amount from 1000 to 100. That will decrease the amount of the emitter halos to something beautiful. And the last thing what we're gonna do is, like, you can increase the resolution of this plane by adding subdivision surface modifier, but I'll go with it as it is because it looks very beautiful. So on the texturing tab, let's go to rendered view or look dev view. Go to render tab, enable bloom, then enable screen space reflections. Under it, enable refraction. Then select our water, add a new material, then change it from principled base dev to something like glass. by clicking on G on your keyboard. Then under the settings, enable screen space refractions to see refraction. As you see here now, you will see some puddles. uh, you should decrease the roughness amount to see more detailed and more realistic thing. Point 1 will work, or point 0 will work perfectly. As you see here, we have now puddles. Simply we made it. And that was the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to be notified when I post these videos, you can hit that notification bell. If you have any suggestions, you can ask me, and I wanna give it. I wanna give a tutorial on it. And I have an idea to make a tutorial series, a tutorial series on something like beautiful and realistic. So if you have any suggestions, I am free to talk to you in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.